Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Canon EOS R7. We'll be evaluating them in various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now let's dive into the comparison. The Fujifilm X-H2S comes with a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans 5 stacked back illuminated sensor, offering expanded low-light capabilities and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and sharp images. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality. The Fujifilm X-H2S features the X Processor 5, delivering lightning-fast performance for video and stills processing. It provides next-level enhancements and intelligent autofocus functionality, which is 3x faster than its predecessor. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R7 is equipped with the Digic X image processor, enhancing performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. The Fujifilm X-H2S is compatible with X-mount lenses, offering a wide range of lens options for different shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 supports the RFS, EFS, EF, and the new RF mounts, providing full lens range capability. Both cameras offer great versatility in lens selection. When it comes to high-speed continuous shooting, the Fujifilm X-H2S can capture shots at an impressive rate. However, the Canon EOS R7 takes it a step further with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action and wildlife. Both cameras excel in continuous shooting capabilities. In terms of image stabilization, the Fujifilm X-H2S offers excellent shake correction with its built-in stabilization system. Likewise, the Canon EOS R7 comes with 5-axis image stabilization, ensuring steady shots even in challenging conditions. Both cameras provide reliable image stabilization for capturing blur-free images. And there you have it, our comparison of the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Canon EOS R7. Both cameras have their unique strengths and features, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.